how to calculate the percentage of sales in a range that contain a specified string. In column A we have list of string, and in column B list of each string. We will create a formula that searches the list of string in column A, that is from cell A2 to A14, and it then calculates the percentage of each string that are listed in column B. To solve this, we can use two Excel functions, the COUNTIF and the COUNTA functions together, and then we'll apply percentage formatting to the cells containing the formula. So let's enter the formula in cell C2 is equal to COUNTIF, select COUNTIF, and we'll select the range from A2 to A14 down to F14, close brace, not close, comma, and select B2, now close brace, and divide it, and count A, select count A, and select the range from A2 to A14, and close brace and enter. No, make it obsolete, reference this one, and now close brace and enter, double click to copy it down, and we can delete this one, we don't want it. We can delete, and we can format it this to percentage. Now we are just counting the occurrence of each string and divide it to the total string. So the COUNTIF functions returns the number of string in column A that are identical to the string stored in cell B2, and then the result is divided by the total number of strings in column A as calculated by the COUNTA functions, which then returns the number of non-blank cells in this range. Look at the percentage of each string. Now look at the in Instagram, the 0%, because there is no Instagram in this range, in this list. So it's working.